Hilda Bassi is using her events to show the world that Nigerians are unemployed and hungry. Now this Hilda Bassi event, they carry the rate of unemployment and hunger in Nigeria. What is so special about someone cooking the world's biggest pot of rice? Pot of jollof rice. Me wey dey here, I go fit cook am inside my house. Why are more than 20,000 people there watching Hilda Bassi if not for unemployment? Most people wey go that place go there to chop that jollof rice. They go there to chop. They go there to attack the jollof rice. Why would you leave the comfort of your house to go watch another person cook wetin you go fit cook for yourself for your house? Now because you don't get work, now because you dey hungry, you won't chop that rice. Tinubu, please fix the country. Nigerian youths are disgracing us all over the world. I'm an OG. That's what I'm saying this to you.
Oh, I love you, Radio God.
And I can't
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est le monde part en couille. J'ai du mal à imaginer. Là, le monde part en couille. Le monde part en couille.
Five years of madness.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue. Manchester United.
Hello. Hola, Carlos.
This man. Hey, Atasa! 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 Atasa!